Kia ora! Welcome to the second lesson in To Have. Today we're going to learn how to say that we don't have something in Māori. To do this, we start the sentence with ka hore, which means no. Then, we put the possessive that describes who doesn't have the thing. When we're negating, the possessive is always plural. Finally, we put the thing that we don't have. Ka hore a kungeru. I don't have cats. Ka hore ōku puti puti. I don't have flowers. Animals belong to the A category. Nature belongs to the O category. We can change the possessive to change who we're talking about. Ka hore a kungeru. I don't have cats. Ka hore a ungeru. You don't have cats. Ka hore a nangeru. He or she doesn't have cats. Now you can answer questions. For example, pene means pen. I means yes. He pene tau? Do you have a pen? He pene tāku? Yes, I have a pen. Or, ka hore aku pene? I don't have a pen. Motoka means car. He motoka tōna? Does she have a car? He motoka tōna? Yes, she has a car. Or, ka hore ōna motoka? She doesn't have a car. There you have it. Now you know how to say that someone doesn't have something. Ka kite!